Hello and welcome everyone. So today we will talk about the characteristics of people born with Dhanishta Nakshatra in their horoscope. Om Mahalakshmi cha vidmahe Vishnupatni cha dhimahi Tanno Lakshmi prachodayat. Now this is how the Dhanishta Nakshatra looks like when viewed in the night sky. Now the lord of the Dhanishta Nakshatra is Mangal or Mars, and the symbol of this nakshatra is a drum or a flute. It represents the damru of Lord Shiva, or the flute which God Krishna uses. The deity of this nakshatra are the 8 Vasus, who are the deities of earthly abundance. Now look at this diagram which shows the 12 houses in the natural zodiac. So this nakshatra extends from 23 degrees 20 minutes in the sign of Makar till 6 degrees 40 minutes in the sign of Aquarius or Kumbh. Okay, so you can see two purple lines, one starting at 23 degrees 20 minutes in Makar Rashi and the other ending at 6 degrees 40 minutes in the Kumbh Rashi. The portion between these two purple lines is the Dhanishta Nakshatra. Now if at the time of your birth the moon lies between these two purple lines, then your Janma Nakshatra or your birth Nakshatra is nothing but Dhanishta Nakshatra. Now, the signs of Makar and Kumbh are ruled by Shani or Saturn, while the ruler of the Dhanishta Nakshatra is Mangal or Mars. Okay. Now, what do you understand by the term Dhan Ishta? Dhan means wealth or prosperity. Ishta means the one you like. Okay. So, people born in this nakshatra, they are very fond of wealth. Okay, they are very fond of attracting prosperity towards themselves. However, if you see this nakshatra, it is ruled by Mars. Okay, so Mars gives them the drive to go forward and earn wealth. Okay, it gives them the passion, it gives them the willpower to earn wealth. And Shani at the same time gives them the patience, the hard work and the determination and perseverance required to attain that prosperity. So especially if the moon lies in the portion of Dhanishta Nakshatra that falls in the sign of Makar, the native has to undergo a lot of hardships in his childhood. Usually he will get inherited wealth. However, to earn his own wealth, to maintain that prosperity, he has to put in a lot of hard work. The portion of Dhanishta Nakshatra which lies in the Kumbh Rashi, however, has a different story. Okay, Kumbh Rashi is all about social networking. It is about deep analysis. It is about research. So when your moon lies in this portion of the Dhanishta Nakshatra, these people tend to make friends everywhere. Okay, they tend to extend their social network, they tend to extend their influence, and through this influence and social network they get a lot of benefits in life. Now the symbol of the Dhanishta Nakshatra is nothing but the drum or the flute. What this means is when they have hardships in life, they face it in a very easy manner. Okay, they simply face it like a person is playing the flute in the midst of all the hardships. Okay, or he is playing the drum in the midst of all the hardships. So the hardships they face, they never show it to the world. They never expose it to the world. They keep it to themselves and they quietly face this. So you will find the nature of the Dhanishta Nakshatra person as a very stable person. Okay, you will never find him exposing his hardships, his difficulties to others. However, when somebody hurts them, they do maintain a grudge, they do have that anger within them. Money and prosperity is naturally drawn towards these people. Why? Because the deity of this nakshatra are the 8 Vasus, or the 8 deities representing earthly abundance. Okay, so wealth, prosperity, etc. is naturally drawn towards these people, but because of Saturn and Mars's energy, they do have to undergo a lot of hardships to sustain and maintain that wealth. Due to this nakshatra lying entirely in the rashis of Shani or Saturn, these people are suited for jobs that involve hard work. Okay, so they are suited for industries like petroleum industry, oil industry, gas industry, metals. Okay, all these things which are represented by Saturn or Shani, they can make very good engineers, because Mars represents engineering aspect. Okay, and Saturn or Shani represents the patience that is required to succeed in this career. They will have a very stable married life, they will have a nice life partner. So guys, this is my analysis of characteristics of the Dhanishta Nakshatra. Now my contact details are given in this slide. For any queries, please write to us at astrosevaworld@yahoo.com. If you like this video, please mark it as liked on YouTube. Feel free to subscribe to our channel Kamath Astrology. Subscription is free and you get notified automatically when I add a video. For all other queries, feel free to visit our website astroseva.tripod.com or our mobile application Kamath Astrology on Google Play Store. So guys, thanks a lot. Hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. Bye.